So first of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. So I am Christy Agrawal and I am going to initiate this video. And today, first of all, today we are discussing about the believe, and it's also can call believe in yourself. And this video is created by Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. So let's start. So believe is a type of a thing which is necessary for everyone in the world, because believe is the only thing, because of this thing you can do anything which you want. And the first thing, don't believe anyone, first believe yourself. If you can believe in yourself, you can achieve anything, because because believing yourself is very helpful, because we believe ourselves, because just like we can do anything, the thing we want, and we have courage that we can do it. And believe not only for ourselves, believe is important for some people also which are too close to us, because we believe others and they also believe us, so that we don't cheat them. So believe in yourself is a type of a thing that we should not cheat the others also. And thank you, that's all about my topic.
Okay, that's nice initiative by Christy. Okay, so first, what we are discussing today, we are discussing believe in yourself. So everyone have believe in yourself, because first, if we believe in ourselves, so we can do whatever we want or whatever we like. Okay, so means no one can defeat you if you believe in yourself. Okay, so just you have to remember this quote every time. Okay, next performer Harshit Yadav, please come on the stage.
So hello everyone, I am Harshit Yadav and today I am representing a topic, believe. So I am starting my presentation. Believe is not a word. It is the thing that we trust to everyone everyone, and we believe in we believe in our parents and gods, and believe, if we believe someone, so we are trusting to someone, and he did not cheat to us. And believe make our power stronger and sharper. And believe is something that makes our unity perfect and strong. Believe to someone is that we are trusting, and we are hiring them for doing something, and his responsibility is that he should not cheat us or we. Thank you, that's all from my topic.
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Divyansh Rawat, and my topic is belief. So belief is a word, and belief is a very important for everyone, because if we believe any other person, we so which thing we want to do, so we do, and we do. And in this world, belief is a precious thing, and most person is like many person in this world do believe other person. So in India, we believe everyone, so we are living there. That's all I want to talk.
Yes sir, I agree with all the persons. So my topic is belief. So now let I tell you about the belief. So belief is just not a word. It's a word that can make you success in anything. If you believe in any person, if anything, so you can do anything what you want. If you believe in a person in your friend, so you will be a great boy or person. So believe just not also give us just not also give us victory, but it also makes our friendship proper. If we believe in our friend, so we can make a proper good friendship, and if we maintain our belief, so we will be able to do anything in our life. Thank you. So believe is just.
Uh, so topic is believe, or it is also called believe in yourself. So I think that I think that many people says we should believe in all the persons, but but some person of the world don't deserve believing on their self, because they cheat everyone, they cheat everyone for their good. And we should believe, first of all we should believe in our God, and and ourself, and also our parents, because our first teacher is a parents. And if we believe in ourselves, so also it's make unity in the world, and it is also good for us, because it make confidence and also the courage that we can do something in our life, and we can also get our success in our life. So I want to tell also one thing, believe in yourself. That's all.
Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit Agarwal, and today I am here to present a topic that is believe. So let's start. First of all, I want to tell you what is believe. Believe is just like a trust. We trust on that person that is very close to us, and we love them. Just like a believe, we believe on that person that we love us, and they are very close to us. Now I want to tell you with whom do I believe. I believe more on my parents, because they are very close to me, and they give me birth. And we don't believe on everyone, because anyone can cheat us. And when we feel very sad, we have to first believe in ourselves. We have to first believe in ourselves, because if we believe in ourselves, so we can achieve anything in our life, and we can do very big works in our life. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya and today I am here to present a topic which is belief. So start. So first of all, I want to tell you about what is belief. A belief is a word just is related to trust. And first of all, we have to believe in ourselves. If we are not able to believe in ourselves, so how we can increase our confidence level? And if we are not increase our confidence level, so we cannot success. So first we have to believe in ourselves. And if we believe on someone, so first we have to know about, if we believe on anyone, so it is not good for us. Sometimes it is cheat also. And a belief can make our friendship and relationship strong, and a belief is can break our friendship and relationship also. Thank you. And I want to share a quote that is, believe in yourself is the first key to success. Thank you. That's all about me.
Good evening to all. I am Krishna, and my topic is believe in yourself. We all know that by believing we get success quickly, and belief gives us confidence, and believe play a very important role in our life, and all work is done by belief, and everything is possible with belief. That's all. And I am telling a one quote, if you can believe it, our mind can achieve it.